I have a Bradley digital smoker for sale. Comes with this cover. It's Jim Beam edition. Comes with 4 stainless steel racks, the digital controls for the biscuits, smoke generator, and there's a water pan, catch pan, and a tube for the biscuits. Take that out. Biscuit tube, power cable, another power cable, and the sensor cable. And this comes out and goes over here. Simply slide that in. Note that there's the 2 hooks. Rest it on there. Take your little cable and plug it in here and here. Take your short cable. There's 2 different ends. I would say this one's a female, and plug it into your smoke generator and plug your male end into your smoker. Take your power cable, it's coiled up, plug it into your smoke generator, and then plug it into your power source. Take your biscuit tube, slide it down into the hole. You can turn it to the front if you want to use your fingers on it. And then you also have the amount of smoke that you want to have going. I just keep it closed. And after that, I'll show you with some chicken drumsticks on it. So I've turned it on. You should let it preheat first before you put any meat in it. And I think I'm gonna set the time for 4 hours, and 28 degrees seems good. And let it warm up for about a half an hour, because when you first put the meat on, if it's in there while it's heating up, you're gonna seal the meat before the smoke gets into it, and you want the meat soft and wet before you start with the smoke. So I'll let it warm up, get some smoke generated, and then I'll put the meat on. But otherwise, yeah, you just update the controls to what you want with what you see here as the settings. My phone might be making the screen flash because it's digital, but it's a solid screen. And it comes with all these biscuits. Most of them are full. Maybe there's 1 or 2 missing. Mesquite pecan variety pack. 120 apple. Mesquite, whiskey oak, apple, maple. Bradley biscuits. 120 each of those. Some directions. I've got some hickory in there right now. You can see it's smoking. Just started. I just pushed the button to wood load. I haven't put any meat on yet. And that pushes the biscuit over. See? Some of these out of the way. You can see there's a biscuit on there. I just gotta add some water, get some steam going. We'll be in business. So now I placed a pan of water in there, so as the biscuits burn, once they get to the end of that ramp, they'll fall off and extinguish in the water, so you don't get a off tasting smell to your, or taste of smoke to your meat. There it is, smoking away. Smoky. Look at those little wing drumsticks. Whew, that's a lot of smoke.